What's up everybody, Cornelius Hayes. I'm back with another video. Hopefully it's not about the rain. It literally just started raining. So, I'm outside, no rain jacket. I left it in my car because I thought I might not need it. It literally just started raining. That is amazing. I'm just gonna say that it's very ironic that when I'm trying to fly my drone, I'm in a restricted area because I stay close to an airport, and the places that I go are still in the restricted zone around the airport. And then the one day that I drive far enough from the airport, just starts thunderstorming out of nowhere. And now I'm here hanging out under some rocks, some boulders, because these are very big rocks. It's the thunder roaring. This is just fantastic. I did this to myself. Alright, Bear Grylls here. We're out here in the wilderness and we're trapped and stranded, but I found a perfect home to nest in the cave. Got my everything, my bed's right here. It's gonna be perfect. I'll keep you updated. So I'm walking out and I hear a lot of crackling, so I turn around and lo and behold, a tree just fell. So I guess the myth is not proven, but it did fall and I heard it. If I wasn't there, I was there. So I made it out and it is very humid and moist up here because that's what the sun does with heat and water. So there's no more thunder going on, so I'm gonna send up the drone and we'll see what happens. Let's do it. Cue the drone montage. Now. The drone shots, they were a success. I had a lot of fun. But drone shots were a success. I'm gonna put them in there. You'll see them. Yeah, I'm glad. I enjoyed this. Not about the hike though, because it's too hot. I'm already sweaty and I hadn't done anything. So I enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.